everyone, myself Rajpira Kaur and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. Month of deliberation, the Uttar Pradesh Assembly on Wednesday 24th Feb passed the Provision of Unlawful Religious Conversion Bill 2021, commonly known as the Love Hijab by a voice vote. Formalizing Uttar Pradesh Governor Anandiben Patel had promulgated the legislation exactly 3 months ago in November. The UP cabinet had cleared the ordinance on November 24 after the Allahabad High Court upheld people's right to freedom of choice of individual, putting down its own previous order which stated that conversion for the sake of marriage was not acceptable. Now it's warning for lovers who knows no building on their heart, who does not know the boundary of religion, language, love jihad, also known as Romeo jihad, is an Islamophobic conspiracy theory developed by proponents of Hindutva, purporting that Muslim men target Hindu women for conversion to Islam by means such as seduction, fingering love, description, kidnapping, and marriage as a part of border war by Muslim against India, and an organized international conspiracy for demonstration throughout the Bharatiya Janata Party led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Legislation against the purported conspiracy has been entitled in a number of states ruled by the party, implemented in the state of Uttar Pradesh by Yogi Adityanath government, where it has been used as means of state repression on Muslims and crackdown on infra-faith marriage. As of 25 November 2020, four BJP ruled states Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Karnataka were mulling law designed to prevent forcible conversion through marriage, commonly referred to as love jihad laws. The proposed law in Uttar Pradesh, which also include provision against unlawful religion conversion, declares a marriage null and void if the sole interaction was to change as a girl religion, and both it and draft bill in Madhya Pradesh propose sentence of up to 10 years in prison for those who break the law. The law in Madhya Pradesh was approved in December 2020. Open scholarship test for class 7 to 12th student get up to 50% scholarship. The 57th Mukta Chandi Mela was officially inaugurated on Thursday morning at the initiative of Mukta Chandi Adamb Mela Samiti. At the same time, a newly constructed state-of-the-art Hari Mandir was inaugurated on this day. Before the fair and the inauguration of temple, more than 1,000 women from Balkunda walked about 4 kilometers to reach the temple with the water jugs on their head. Later, the Hari temple is washed with water. Career opportunity. Recruiting health insurance advisor. A rally was organized by the CPIM party at Damani Bazaar in Barabani block today, mainly because of the anti-people policy of the state government against the anti-people policy of the state government. Kalyan Singh, Deepak Sharma, Mittu Chatterjee, Baise Mandi, Mamitu Saji were present.
আগামী 28শে ফেব্রুয়ারি ব্রিগেড সমাবেশে দলে দলে যোগ দিন। ইনকলাব জিন্দাবাদ, সিপিআইএম জিন্দাবাদ, সিপিআইএম জিন্দাবাদ, ডিএফআই জিন্দাবাদ, সিআইটিউ জিন্দাবাদ। আগামী 28শে ফেব্রুয়ারি ব্রিগেড সমাবেশে দলে দলে যোগ দিন। আগামী 28শে ফেব্রুয়ারি ব্রিগেড সমাবেশে দলে দলে যোগ দিন। ইনকলাব জিন্দাবাদ, সিআইটিউ জিন্দাবাদ, ডিএফআই জিন্দাবাদ, ভারত কৃষক সমাজ জিন্দাবাদ। আগামী 28শে ফেব্রুয়ারি ব্রিগেড সমাবেশে দলে দলে
দিকে দিকে জনমত গড়তে ব্রিগেড সমাবেশে দলে দলে যোগ দিন। পেট্রোল ডিজেলের মূল্য বৃদ্ধির বিরুদ্ধে ব্রিগেড সমাবেশে দলে দলে যোগ দিন। অসহনীয় পেট্রোল ডিজেলের মূল্য বৃদ্ধির বিরুদ্ধে দিকে দিকে জনমত গড়ে তুলুন। অসহনীয় পেট্রোল ডিজেলের মূল্য বৃদ্ধির বিরুদ্ধে ব্রিগেড সমাবেশে দলে দলে যোগ দিন। আগামী বিধানসভা নির্বাচনে বামপন্থীদের বিপুল ভোটে জয়ী করুন। আগামী বিধানসভা নির্বাচনে সেকুলার ফ্রন্টকে বিপুল ভোটে জয়ী করুন। কংগ্রেস ও বামপন্থী নেতৃত্বের সাথে আগামী বিধানসভা নির্বাচনে বিপুল ভোটে জয়ী করুন।
Dhanora under Barabani Gram Panchayat of Barabani block is digging the old colliery ECL land legally, taking it from the land of the brick mafia ICL and taking away the soil. There is no place for children to play. The only thing they have to say that ones is that we used to play here for a long time.
आता है जाता है तो यहाँ पर खन दिया गिर मुड़ जाएगा तो कहाँ रहा?
वही बात पूछ रहे हैं।
हाँ
तो कब कब ये वाला कब
तेला
किया?
बंद करा दीजिए।
कौन वाला?
ये वाला पॉकेट हो
हम्म,
बस।
तो बंद करने से क्या सुविधा होगा?
सुविधा ये होगा कि बच्चा लोग पढ़ने जाता है, बहुत छरपाटी लोग करता है, इधर इधर गिर जाएगा बस।
कहाँ का रहे तुमरा?
मेरा रायरा काली मंदिर
पड़ता है ना।
तो बहुत दिक्कत होता है बच्चा लोग को यहाँ पर।
क्या आपको देखी ताकत रहा है?
Cases of corona infection are once again on the rise in many parts of the country amid vaccine. Strict adherence to the rules has been intended in many states, including Maharashtra and Karnataka, due to increasing havoc of corona. After Delhi, West Bengal government on Wednesday took important step to make mandatory for passenger from four states to show a negative corona report. This is stated in the order issued by the state government on Wednesday. Procession from Badi Maidan to CPIM Baranpur area committee to promote the bridge rally on 26th and the JK Nagar.
কিন্তু কাজের নামে ঘোড়ার টিম কিচ্ছু উনি করেননি, কেবল স্বজন পছন্দ তোলাবাজি। ভাইপোর আজকে কোটি কোটি শত হাজার হাজার কোটি টাকার দায়ে আজকে সিবিআই তাদের প্রেমপত্র পাঠাচ্ছে। আমরা 34 বছরে যদি মমতা ব্যানার্জির কথাই ধরি, উনি বলেন আমরা কিছুই করিনি, কিন্তু আমরা এটাও তো আপনাকে বলতে হবে যে সিবিআই আমাদের নামে কোনো প্রেমপত্র পাঠায়নি। আপনার বৌমার নামে প্রেমপত্র পাঠাচ্ছে, আপনার ভাইপোর নামে প্রেমপত্র পাঠাচ্ছে, আপনাদের
Neighborhood, a unit of Mission Hospital Durgapur, in association with Paschim Bardhaman District Chamber of Commerce and Industry and Asansol Rifle Club, is organizing a free heart checkup, free diagnosis, gynecologist check camp, and general health care checkup camp on Sunday, 7th March 2021 from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. at their new center at Bhagat Singh Mode, Asansol. The thieves of the idol's jewelry in the temple were finally caught after watching the CCTV footage of temple area. The police found the thieves. However, the police were shocked to see the thief from the front. There is a crippled person who steals jewelry from the temple. His house in Madhukunda of Purulia district, whose name is Kalua. Marwadi Yuva Manch Asansol City branch installed cold drink water machine in front of Arekanya mode of Asansol under Amrit Dhara Yojana. It was inaugurated by Amarnath Chatterjee, Chairperson, Governing Board, Asansol Municipal Corporation. On this occasion, Sudeep Agarwal, former president of Mayuman, said that the arrangement of this Amrit Dhara machine was done by late Naveen Agarwal and his late father Rampal Agarwal in memory of his family. Hundreds of burnt notes were found from the crematorium road in Salanpur area. Kalyaneshwari Fadi police recovered burnt notes of around 5,000 from the road of Ajitesh Nagar crematorium ghat on Thursday morning. Some youths of the area saw hundreds of notes of around rupees 5,000. A local youth from the town said that when he woke up in the morning, he saw a half burnt 100 rupees note laying on the road. Saptarshi Sadhu, a student of IIT Kharagpur, a resident of Asansol, has set a world record for the longest continuous rotation of a mechanical spinning top prototype. His record is recorded in Guinness Book of World Records. Guinness World Record from December 19 to December 20. The entire process was broadcast live on social media as well as video recording, after which he applied to be entered in the Guinness Book of World Record. Various amenities and facilities inaugurated at Raniganj Station, Asansol, 25 February 2021. Sri Babul Supriyo, Honorable Minister of State for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India inaugurated renovated station facade and upper class waiting room at Raniganj Station today, 25 February 2021, through video conferencing, while Sri Sumit Sarkar, Divisional Railway Manager Asansol, was present at new conference room DRM office Asansol. Now I am presenting SMS from News Movement. Do what is right, not what is easy.